So we have arrived to our room. This is the lovely Just Van Dyke overlooking White Bay. Kurt is going to go inside the room.
Okay guys, here we at the Perfect Pineapple in Just Van Dyke. Just feel like to give you guys a small tour of this little castle. It's very nice. Oh, and breathtaking. As you can see the views, look at that. You can see the view over there. Yeah, very breathtaking. So you have upstairs, you have downstairs. So right now, just going to give you a little tour of the inside where we at. So yeah, look at that guys. You have your own fridge, your own stove, so that you can cook, do whatever you want to do in your own space. Yeah, you have toaster oven, microwave, your little kitchen, and there you are. This is your bed. Oh my. The TV on the wall. And this is your closet, your little closet to put your clothes in. Yes, of course, you have air conditioned. And this is a bathroom, very big. Look at that. Oh my God. It's huge. Enough space. Enough space. Enough space. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So once you're here in Just Van Dyke, you have to check this place out. This is a must go, must come. See, this is the veranda where you can sit down and look at the view over there by the beach side where all these boats coming in. You have a little sea bed, sea tray, whatever you call it. You can relax and just watch what going on over there. You have a hammock also, so where you can relax in, your choice. Yeah. And look at the view, guys. Look at the view. Breathtaking view. Breathtaking view. Breathtaking view from up there. Breathtaking view. Look at that. Oh my God. Wow. So we have a cruise ship on the end over there. So we will get closer to it so you guys can see what's going on. Yeah, and those are some other yachts and thing out there. Just there in the water, come looking at the beautiful Just Van Dyke. It had so many to see here in this small space. So guys, just sit back and relax. Guys, the only thing is up on a little hill, but that's how you get the view. Yeah, it's very nice here, peaceful and quiet. You don't have to worry about anybody come to do any harm to you or whatever it is. Everybody here, they are friendly people, and you can say everybody here is family over here, so they look out for one another. Yeah. So yeah, so that look like our jeep there. Yeah. So that's will be our ride for the day. That Jimmy. Yeah. We wanted a bus tour, but have this small cruise ship is in, so you know how that will be. So we decide to just get hi. We decide to just rent something to just move around. Alright, so at least we don't have nobody waiting on us. Yes. Hi. Hi, morning. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So this will be our ride for the day. This Jimmy. Alright.
Okay, guys, so we just got the rental and we are going exploring. Hopefully, we don't get lost. I don't think you get lost on just one day.
We'll sit back on the couch for the show you see. Talking love and life, just you and me. Every day is an adventure, it's clear as the sea. With you by my side, we're always free. From sunrise to sunset, it never gets old. Laughing through the struggle, stories unfold. Hands held tight, beating hearts so bold. With you, my dear, every moment is gold. We're hanging with the Archibalds, love in sight. Sharing our world and its pure delight. Talking relationship tales under the moonlight. Together we shine so bright in the night. We take our viewers on a joyful ride. Exploring the world side by side. With God by our side, the journey's sweet and wide. With you there is no secret, nothing to hide. Relationship highs and the bumps along the way. We laugh about the little things, come what may. With God's favor through the night and day. With each other, it's our own peaceful bay. We're hanging with the Archibalds, love in sight. Sharing our world and its pure delight. Talking relationship tales under the moonlight. Together we shine so bright in the night. We're hanging with the Archibalds, love in sight. Sharing our world and its pure delight. Talking relationship tales under the moonlight. Together we
Guys, there's a cruise ship in town. There.
Okay, guys. So here we are at the Great Harbour in Just Van Dyke, and there is the cruise ship that I show you guys all around from afar. So yeah, that's it right there. This is what's going on here. Beautiful Great Harbour. So whenever you come to Just Van Dyke, these are places you need to come and explore. And also you heard about Foxes. Yeah, this is where Foxes is. So I will see if I can give you guys a tour, and this is our ride, like I said, for the day. So yeah, so just let's go on a journey. Yes. Okay, guys. So this is the best side where you have grocery stores and all of that. Yeah, it's cool breeze. This is cool. Hi, cool breeze restaurant. So these are place you when you want a good breakfast. Yes. Okay, guys. So yes, this is one of the young lady, the manager working here at this Cool Breeze restaurant and bar. So if you want a hookup, whenever you come here, you can just come. This young lady will take care of you, give you the best customer service of your life. So just enjoy the little moment with us. And like I said, here is a must come to when you come to Just for a Night. All right. So stay tuned. Yes, guys. So yeah, just taking a little walk and showing you what they have to offer here along the coastline in Crete Harbor.
Shine so bright in the night.
Hello. I'm all right. Just looking around. You don't mind I have you on camera, right? You don't? Okay. Just say hi for the people. Yes. Yeah, nice. So what you guys normally sell here? Uh-huh. All right. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. Nice, nice. Okay, so you wanna say your name for the people? Okay, guys. When you come to Foxy's, just ask for Stephanie. Stephanie will hook you up. I'm from St. Vincent too. Yes, okay. Thanks a lot. All right. Okay, guys. So this is your entertainment going on right now in Foxy's. Yes. Yes. So yeah, it's a big thing coming here. So once you over here, these are places that you can come and just hang out and enjoy the moment. Yeah, enjoy the moments. So yeah.
We take our views on a joyful ride, exploring the world side by side. With God by our side, the journey's sweet and wide. With you there is no secret, nothing to hide. Relationship highs and the bumps along the way. We laugh about the little things, come what may. With God's favor through the night and day. With each other, it's our own peaceful bay. With God's favor through the night and day. With each other, it's our own peaceful bay. We're hanging with the Archibalds, love in sight, sharing our world that is pure delight. Talking relationship tales under the moonlight. Together we shine so bright in the night. We're hanging with the Archibalds, love in sight, sharing our world that is pure delight. Talking relationship tales under the moonlight. Together we shine so bright in the night.
All right, guys. This lovely young lady here. She's selling some goodies. Rum. Uh huh.
We have homemade jewelry. We have homemade hot sauce
Uh-huh.
with local hot pepper, scotch bonnets.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh my. So guys, this is a lot to offer right here. So whenever you come to Just One Lake, Carmen, just come and look for Carmen on the show side, and Carmen will give you the hookup. Yeah, she have quite a view here. So yeah,
The lemon cake is on the the vanilla is on the rum, and the chocolate cake is on the rum. And these are banana breads. Banana bread chocolate chip,
okay.
banana bread plain, banana bread hot chocolate chip, and banana bread. Yes.
So my wife getting some goodies. Yeah,
The homemade hot sauce with the hot peppers, baguette.
yeah. Just giving Carmen a support in the meantime. So guys, whenever you come here, you can do the same.
I need some money.
No, yeah, my wife loves her cake. So that's why she cannot pass up this offer
Red
here.
velvet.
Okay.
Sorry, Stella had to give me
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Guys, don't forget to check out Carmen whenever you come to Just Find Out. All right? All right.
We cater as well.
Okay. She do catering also, so you know everything under one roof. All right. Okay, guys. So this is just a sneak peek of the one of the dock that the boats normal come in. Yeah. So yeah, beach is nice. You know, you have a lot to offer here. Uh, so here is a little gift shop you have here also. You can come and get your merch on other stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it seems so far. I'm not sure if it closed, but I
The
saw this rope
Archibalds love
around.
in sight.
So I
Sharing the
guess it
world
probably
that is pure
closed.
delight. Talking
Yeah.
relationship tales under the
All
moonlight.
right.
Together we shine so
Stay
bright in the
tuned.
light.
We'll be right back.